Hey guys, Funk Roberts here and welcome to the License to Kill ladder workout. I'm here with my amazing, beautiful wife, Angela. Hi, Angela. Hi, all right, so today we're gonna take you through a ladder workout. So this workout is done for time. And what this workout is we're gonna do 5 exercises. We're gonna start off doing each exercise for 4 reps. Then again, after that for 6 reps each, then 8 reps each, then 10 reps each, and then we're gonna go down the ladder, down to 8 reps, 6 reps, and 4 until we get to the end. Now the goal of this workout is to try to do this as fast as you can. Try to finish the entire workout as fast as you can using good form throughout the exercises. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through, we're gonna do a follow along. So I'm gonna go at my own pace. If this is the first time you're doing this, then you might as well just follow me and go at my pace. But if you've done this before, then your goal is to beat the last time you did it. Try to go as fast as you can, just listen to the cues. Angela's probably gonna go a little bit faster. But again, the whole goal is to get this done as fast as you can. So if this is the first time, just follow along, get used to the exercises, get used to the movements. But then the second and third and fourth time you're doing this, then you're trying to either go faster or use more weight, right? Increase the weight. Okay, so obviously you've already looked at the exercises, so you've seen them in the demo. Please make sure that you've already warmed up because this is gonna be a killer. And again, we're going through a workout, so you're literally working out with us, okay? You're working out with me. I'll count reps or just go as fast as I can. But again, this is for reps and not for time. All right, you're gonna try to do it as fast as you can, but it's for reps. So our first exercise are shoulder rack or goblet squats. So you get our goblet lunges. So I'm gonna start off with 25s. Again, this is the first exercise. We're gonna start now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4. So each rep is, each time you go forward, that's a rep. Next exercise are dumbbell pull-throughs. Here, so pull it through. This is a great core exercise. That's 2. Keep your core straight. 3 and 4. Good. Next exercise are push-up jacks. So it's more of an explosive movement. Starting here, down. 1, 2, 3. Core tight. 4. Good. Next exercise, half burpee hammer curls. So I'm gonna grab my 20s here. I'm gonna go down into a half burpee, stand up, hammer curl. Good. Keep your core tight, up, good. Down, up, good. Down again, up, curl, good. All right, next exercise, alternating dumbbell clean and press. So clean with one arm, press, that's 1, good. Clean with the other, press, that's 2, good work. Clean, that's 3. Clean, that's 4, good. So that's 1 round. Let's go now. We're doing 6 now. We need the 25s again. 1, 2. Remember, body nice and tall. 3. Use that front leg to kick out. 4. Core tight. 5. 1 more. 6. Good. All right. Dumbbell pull-throughs. I'm going to 20s. Remember, this is a core exercise. You want to keep your body nice, tight. 2, 3. Pull it through. Drag it through. 4, 5, 6. Good. Next exercise, push-up jacks. Stay down on the ground. These are toughies. 1, 2, 3. Explode up. 4, 5, 6. Good. Clean and press. Clean one side. 1. Good. Other side. Press up. 2. You can have a little bit of a hitch too to help you press. Make sure you're pressing straight up. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. Good. All right, we're doing 8 reps now. So take a little bit of a break. Catch my breath. I'm gonna use 30s for the forward lunge. Remember, 1 rep is 1 step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push straight up. 6, 7, 8. Good work. We're going to pull-throughs. I'm gonna use 25s now, so I'm gonna add more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't let that body move. Keep it still. 6. Keep it straight. 7, 8. Oh. Push-up jacks. These are the killers. Good. If you can't do push-up jacks, just do regular push-ups. That's great. Regular push-ups are good. I'm gonna go 25s here. Half burpee, hammer curls. Very nice. Yeah. 1, 2. Half burpees, no push-up. And just adding the push-up. It's okay, that's good, that's good. 4, you just take it to the next level. 5, 6, good. Keep going. 7, core tight. 8, oh, wow. I'll drop those for a second. Whoa. All right, like I said, if you've been doing this before, you want to power through as fast as you can. Catch your breath. You don't have to catch your breath. I'm just catching mine. 8. Dumbbell clean and press. 1, 2, good. 3, nice. 4, I gotta use more body. If you find yourself curling, 6. That means it's too light. You should be using your body. 8. All right. Back to the top of the ladder. 10. We'll reach the top. Let's rip through here, get 10 done. 5 aside. Forward lunges. Here we go. 4, push off with that front leg. Keep that body tall. 6. I know you're a little bit tired. 8, 9, but you gotta focus on technique. 10, good. Dumbbell pull-throughs. What are these, 25s? Yeah. Oh. 1, 3, 4, good, keep going. 5, 6, 7. Feel the obliques. 8, 9. One more. 10. Oh. Push-up jacks. Here we go, guys. Oh, nice. Burpee hammer curls. It's getting chilly in here, right? Jesus. Burpee hammer curls. 10 of them, let's go. 1, let's go, guys. 2, 3, good. Back fast, up fast. 4, 2 movements, remember. 6. It's a tough one. 8, one more, 2 more. 9, 10. Oh, that one was rough. We're doing alternate dumbbell, clean and press. Oh. Oh. Wow. Love these workouts, man. Short, high intensity. Good work. 3, good. Let's go. 4, nice. 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay, we're back to the top. We're doing forward lunges this time for 8. So we're moving down the ladder now. We're going down for 8. Let's do this, guys. Not like it gets easier. Just the reps get less. 6, 7. Don't cheat yourself. Hey, make sure you do all the reps, no matter how tired you are. Even if it takes you a little bit longer, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. Oh. Those ones always kill me. Let's get the 8 push-up jacks. 8 push-up jacks, let's go. Woo! Oh man, it's a killer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Good. Burpees. Actually, this one's a killer. My back doesn't like these whatsoever. We gotta forge through. 25s. You want a 30, honey? Here we go. 8. Let's go, guys. Good, keep going. 3, 4, 3 more. 6, yeah, good. Feel the hammer curl. 7, 8. Oh. 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 Clean and press. Catch your breath. Alternate clean and press. Angela's ripping through. Doing a great job, honey. Boom. As you can see, the hammer curls are just like the cleans. So it's a little pre-exhausting. Exhaustion happening. Oh, one more. All right, half burpees. No, we're going back to the top. Lunges. 6 reps, here we go. Let's finish strong, kids. Let's finish strong. 6, good. Pull throughs. I'm going with the 30s. Gotta really keep that core tight. 4, 5, 6. Oh. Oh. Push-up jacks. Oh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Oh, burpee hammer curls. This is definitely a license to kill. This workout has a license to kill. Burpee. Right now, you're just in your own head, trying to get the reps done. That's what we're doing here. 4, keep going, guys, come on. Guys are killing it. 6, Let's go, guys, keep going. Get this done. Keep going. Final round. Yes, I don't think that'll be a problem. 4 reps each. If you guys are keeping up with Angela, keep going. If you guys are slow folks like me, it's okay. Just as long as we get it done. 3, 4, good. Pull throughs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push-up jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Burpees. This is the backbreaker for me. Keep going. Let's go 1, 2, 3. One more. 4. Yeah. Good work, guys. Good work, honey. Good work, gents. If you're still going, keep going. Our workout took us about 16 minutes, 15 minutes. You can see it's tough. Very tough. Make sure, hey, congratulations. Good work. Next time, you either want to go heavier with the weights or you want to try to move faster. Take less rest times between the exercises and try to get this done maybe under 10 minutes. Maybe you can do it. Anyways, that was a great workout. Make sure you guys do the ab and core circuit below. And finally, stretch after. Thank you so much, honey. You're amazing. Good luck, good work, guys. Great job. And I'll see you in the next workout. License to kill. Get it done.